So I'm extremely happy with it. I think it's going to work out good. So I've been wanting some snowplow blade extensions, or wings as some people call them. So we're going to go ahead and build some today. I'm going to go ahead and get the blade off. We'll get it up on the table and we're going to look at how we're going to do it. Hopefully this thing isn't frozen in place, because I haven't had it off since last year. And of course I didn't paint or oil anything like I should have. Oh, it ain't light. So all I did right there was I put some soft wire inside the corrugation and the cardboard, and that's just to help it keep shape. So we'll overbend it a little bit and kind of pull it back, and see it'll hold, the cardboard will hold its shape then. So I got it all mocked up with the cardboard. Pretty happy with it. That plate right there that I'm pointing to, that has to get welded on. That's going to have holes in there. That's going to be the plate that the wing will bolt to once it's done. You could see I have holes drawn inside for the bolt holes. I'll have to cut those out. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's strong, and I think it's going to work. Alright, so the next step was to go ahead and get everything modeled up on Fusion or CAD CAM. So, as you can see, that's this piece here. Find out where you're at here on the camera. So, we got this piece, and then all these other ones. We can actually simulate the cutting, verify the tool path. So that's that one. We got this one of the gusset plates, the other gusset plate, and one of the end supports. So let's go ahead and get it cut out. All right, that's those. from the breeze. All right, so I got all the pieces cut out. We'll go ahead and clean up all the edges, and then I think the first thing is I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the brake press and get these bent up, and we'll go from there. So let me get these cleaned up. Okay, let me show you what I got so far. So that'll tighten up when I put a clamp of the bolts in there. But anyway, back here, so I put this piece on first. Then we put this piece on, tack welded it, and then I tack welded this to this. So that's going to be the wing. So what we don't want right now, because I got it set, is we don't want it to move. We like where it's at, and I'm half tempted to tack weld it on there. You know what? I think I'm going to. So at this point, I'm just going to put in all the stiffeners, the reinforcements that are going to go from one side to the other, tie it all in. So this will go pretty quick. There was only 2 of them that I added in there. Okay, so let me show you where I'm at. So the next step is I'm going to go ahead and drill these 1/2-inch holes that I have marked. But before I do that, I made some little reinforcement gussets that I'm going to put in here. I think I'm going to use 3 of them. And that'll help. I don't, you know, I'm scared if I start pushing on that, it might bend that. I only have it tack welded, so. So overall, that's it there. So I am going to put this piece of angle on the bottom, like the original blade is. So go ahead and get these tacked in, these gussets, and we're going to get these 1/2-inch holes drilled out, and then we'll move to the angle, and that should be it for this side. All right, I got them drilled out. Let's go see what kind of hardware. Oh, let's see, hex bolts. Something preferably short, like these. 2, 3, 4. All right, and we need some 1/2-inch nuts, lock nuts preferably. Right there. And maybe even washers. Well, there it is. There it is. I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. It's kind of big, but I think it'll be all right. I don't have time to paint it. I do have snow in the driveway. Let me let it down for you. But I think it's going to work out good. It's tight on the ground on both sides. I think it has the right angle in, or I should say the correct angle in, or angles in. And the best thing about it is it's removable with 4 bolts. It doesn't get much easier than that. But I'm gonna get some clothes on and we're gonna go try it out and see how it works. So let me get situated, and I'm gonna give you guys a front row seat. See what it does. See how it turns out. Well, I figured I'd do one last update before I end the video. So it worked out great and it survived, and I'm pretty hard on this thing. Plus, for whatever reason, this is the snow that's got like that much ice on the bottom of it, and then people drive over it and it gets even worse. So if it didn't bend or break, yeah. Anyway, so I'm extremely happy with it. So thanks for watching.